happened, we got to see an adorable side of the daily life of famous comedian and TV star, Hong Hyun-hee, in a recent episode of the popular MBC show, Omniscient Interfering View. In the episode, Hong Hyun-hee gives an insight into her morning routine with her 14-month-old son, Junbyeom. They played together on the swings at the playground, while she shared how important the morning routine was in their lives. Hong Hyun-hee sincerely said, "This is our morning routine. If my son wants to go out as soon as he wakes up, we have to go out no matter what." However, what's interesting is when Hong Hyun-hee talks about her son. She shared that among her fans, many have compared Junbyeom's cute face to the famous singer, Kang Daniel, who is known for his signature smile. Hong Hyun-hee added that she looked at pictures of V, BTS member, every day when Junbyeom was still in her womb. She confessed that looking at V's pictures before going to bed has become an unavoidable habit. However, she also joked with a smile, "Back then, I didn't see comedians like Lee Sang-joon." Apparently, this is not the first instance of a celebrity revealing this unique habit. Previously, Korean ballad singer Navi also shared a similar story about looking at photos of Taehyung, NCT member, while pregnant because she felt happy seeing Taehyung's handsome face during her pregnancy. Studies have shown that looking at beautiful things, such as art, nature, or even beautiful human faces, can help reduce stress and anxiety, and improve overall mood. In addition, it is not uncommon for expectant mothers to wish for their baby to bear a resemblance to a character or face that they see and admire. Taehyung of BTS is famous for his stunning looks, and this has made him a very popular idol among many. For many expectant mothers, seeing a beautiful face like V's might be a source of inspiration and happiness in their pregnancy journey.